Greg while you open it.
So this is an unboxing. Okay.
Open up your boots.
Is this one mine? Is this one mine?
Oh, this thing.
Pink. That's flavors.
I think they may have got they may have got mixed up.
Yeah.
Do you like pink boots?
No.
No, are you sure?
Yeah.
Where's my?
Try these ones.
Oh, these for boys. For boys. These are for boys.
Oh, I didn't get mixed up.
Hey. This is mine.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, these ones are definitely.
For these. I want to try mine.
I'm breaking them in perfect.
Yeah.
I want to try it. Help me pack my chair up. But pussycat. Pussycat.
That's pad thai.
Honey pie.
Why don't you do your cute face?
Good boy,
Thank
Rusty.
you for the boots, Greg. No, do your cute face. Thank you for the boots.
Oh, do you have a cute
Yeah,
face?
do your cute face. Go on.